This is the SAP Developer News for June the 4th, 2026.
Hello ABAP developers, we have an exciting news this week. The first version of ABAP development tools for Visual Studio Code extension is available in the VS Code marketplace. This marks a significant step in modernizing the ABAP development experience by bringing ABAP development to one of the most widely used IDEs in the developer community. The initial release focuses on the ABAP Cloud development model and supports key artifacts such as ABAP classes, interfaces, CDS artifacts, service definitions, service binding, and behavior definitions. This extension includes essential development features such as code completion, navigation, syntax checking, debugging, ABAP unit integration, transport management, and repository search. A key highlight is that developers building RAP applications can now work on both the backend ABAP artifacts and the front-end SAP Fiori or SAP UI5 application within the same development environment. The extension also includes a built-in Model Context Protocol or MCP server. This enables AI agents available in Visual Studio Code such as Microsoft Copilot to interact with ABAP development objects and assist developers directly within their workflow. To get started, install VS Code, add the ADT extension from the marketplace, connect it to your ABAP system, and you're ready to go. SAP has also published a GitHub tutorial showing how the built-in ADT MCP server can be used with AI agents to create a simple RAP application. Don't forget to also take a look at this FAQ document, which is also included in the blog post. This is just the beginning. More capabilities and ABAP development objects are planned for upcoming releases. So stay tuned.
Hello ABAP developers. The SAP BTP ABAP Environment 2605 has been released, and this blog post by Nora Clem provides an overview of the delivered features. Here are some of the key highlights. In ABAP language, Boolean expression is now supported. Yes, this was widely discussed and requested, and it has now been supported. In ABAP development tools, there is a signature comparison when you are migrating from DYK-based views to CDS view entity. In ABAP RESTful application programming model, draft is now supported in CDS table entities. There are two new attributes in feature control. One is read-only create as well as mandatory update. In analytics, the WYSIWYG editor of the review booklets now supports multiple data providers. In ATC, a new variant is introduced to perform clean core analysis in both SAP ECC as well as SAP S/4HANA systems. In Landscape Portal, you can use Deploy Product app to deploy or update a specific product version in specific system. You can check out all the new features in What's New for SAP BTP ABAP Environment page. The new AI features is listed separately in What's New for ABAP Generative AI for ABAP Cloud. Check it out.
The June Developer Challenge is underway, and this month we're focusing on exercising our grey matter in order to maintain some level of cognitive discipline in this new era. That's right. And in the challenge, we're diving into the CAP documentation to learn what's there and how to navigate to it, but perhaps more importantly, to learn the names for and understand the fundamentals of concepts, features, language constructs, and more, all of which make CAP what it is. Why? Because knowing what things are called and how they relate and what they do and where to find more information is the foundation of understanding and how it's built. And understanding is more important than ever today. So this month, there's a new question published on every working day. That's 22 days in total, 22 questions. Each question focuses on a particular aspect or topic or area of CAP, and where the answers can be found in the CAP documentation, in CAPIA. And also, after each day's question is done, there are links to further reading added to the end of the question post for those of you who want to learn more. It's like a 5-minute mini workout for your brain each day. What are you waiting for? See you online.
Did you know that the Standardize class definition feature in ABAP Cleaner helps
Keep class definitions consistent, improving code readability and maintainability. Usually in ABAP class definitions, the ordering and layout of options such as public, private sections, inheriting from, etc. can vary across developers and projects, leading to inconsistent code structure and reduced readability. To address this issue, ABAP Cleaner has a rule, Standardize class definition. It has various options like indentation, specifying no number of spaces, and splitting the statement to one or multiple lines. For example, here if we select public to be in a separate line, the class definition gets rewritten with public in next line across all class definitions in your code. Similarly, for inheriting from and create statements. Now you can see that the various class definitions within the code has the same format, thereby improving readability and maintainability and hence following SAP best practices.